safety. I want you to lick me, baby. This dick make you crazy. Don't you tempt me, baby, cause this Glock ain't got safety.
Alright, what's up guys? So today, we're going to be using this sled in the back of the car. And we don't want it to end up like this, because we went on the driveway and that was not a very good idea. So, if it ends up like this, then it ends up like this when we got a spare.
Split down the middle. That was impressive.
It's broken.
Yeah, no duh.
Alright.
Right.
I'm too heavy. He couldn't pull me. But he's gonna make a whole track so he can actually go fast. But it was like fine when I was riding it, but then when I was on it, he was just spinning the tires and tearing up the yard, so.
Anything that I say to myself when I'm this high. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. I just did an interview with my eyes closed. I just sparked a blunt, it looked like pyro. Only comments I see are the bad ones. Only playlists I like are the sad ones. I let the medicine in, I know it don't help in the end, but I got depression again. I had a meeting at 7, I skipped it and slept and then woke up at 7 p.m. I cut my hair off like Britney, sprinkled dust like a pussy, wipe my nose like it's itchy. I'm tatted up, I don't give a fuck. Ay, 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 ay.
Or anything fucked up. Oh, it's cracking. I'm kicking it at you. Oh my god. Liam, you hear that?
Yeah, I hear that.
I don't like it, bro. It's cracking like crazy. Ooh.
Pick it up and chuck it.
Pick it up. That's thick, guys. No, dude. Look at that. Let me try. Dude, I can live off this. I can make soup. I get a pinky in there. Yeah, I got a pinky.
Alright, pick it up. Oh shit, we shouldn't be standing in the same place.
Don't bring the camera out here. I can't with that. It's cold and it's fucking sharp. I have to weigh over 100. Yeah. It punctured because all the water just bubbled through.
Let me see this bitch. Ooh!
See, it's already full. Where did it puncture though? This side, yeah. No, that's not it.
It's just slush, that's why. Pick it up and chuck it in the same place.
Oh my. You see it fucking break through.
No, that's the point. Why are you throwing the rock otherwise? Throw a rock?
My bitches are texting me. Give me a second. Dude, my hands hurt. Come on, do it! Dude, slam it. Fucking slam it. Oh! I got the magic shot! Dude, it's cracking. Look at the crack it just made. Pick it up.
Pick it up and chuck it.
I fucked me too. I sensed me too. That's a moment right there. Pick it up and like I want go.
Shut up! I need to listen.
Go completely through. Oh! Throw it at me.
Look at how thick that is.
Throw it up in the air. 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 That's
Word.
boys. Look at how thick that is. Oh damn! Watch your head. Ready? Oh, I'm gonna catch it!
Like the Russian guy on TikTok.
Falls through. I
Shit,
laughed so
dude.
hard. Dude, don't go head
I don't want
first.
to get my knees wet. That's the fucking thing.
You're good on your knees.
Oh, your knees are done. All the way in.
All the way.
Oh hell no!
All the way. Just your forehead.
Come here, come here.
Alright. Competition.
Take this.
Uh-oh.
My hat.
You guys shouldn't be standing in the same place.
Don't put my hat on the floor. That's how you throw it. Back up. Alright.
Is it cold?
My hair is freezing.
As we speak, ice bath.
Yeah, it's going. Dude. There's probably a way to do this that we don't know of.
Probably.
Do not touch us together with this battery. No.
Yup. We do one.
Shine the light over. Alright, I'll go crank.
Let me start it.
No, I go crank.
Need this.
No, I got it. No, I don't. Oh, yeah, I do. Brad, use your flashlight for the camera.
How do you get in there? I'm gonna turn the key, pump the gas a little.
Clutch in, obviously.
Pump the gas a lot. Like push all the way. Alright, let's try. Nothing.
Nothing.
Hold on.
It's my ground cable. Oh shit, it's sparking.
No, you're good. You're good.
My radio doesn't work, bud.
This is fall, brother. Getting close. Hey, the ground cable.
They know they'll never get that chance
I did. Yeah, it's torn down there.
Let me see.
Still waiting for that.
It's torn down there. I'm gonna see if I can see you through this.
You're still running.
Woo! My sweatshirt came up while it was close.
You'll always be the queen of
I don't see it.
melody.
Stop. What are you doing? Looking at the ground cable? What are you doing? You wanna tell me to stop? Yeah, sure.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm
Look.
do this. Zoom out. I can't see it from my angle.
Ass shot.
Bet you got a long drive. Good luck and goodbye.
Dude, where's the new one?
That's what I was gonna get.
Not getting it yet. Come on.
How?
Because I need to. Here, I'm gonna really open it.
Pile of fucking mud just fell on my face.
They're leaving.
You're leaving?
Pile of mud just fell on my face. I saw it.
On the radio down, fire got lit inside.
Ready?
Sure, turn on the lights.
No power at all.
Turn on the interior lights.
No, like no power at all.
What do you mean?
Like I can't even turn on the interior. It's dead.
Wait, stop shaking it.
We need to wait till my mom comes to jumpstart it.
Wait, let me see.
There's no power at all.
Turn the key. You're also in gear. Take it out of gear. I know that's not gonna do anything, but take it out of gear.
No power on the dashboard, nothing. We just have to wait till mom's comes to jumpstart because it's dead.
When's your mom getting home?
No. Slam that door. Slam that door real quick. Slam the fucker. So how do I open it?
You hold it. I don't got an ocean.
No, there's not. Your hand will just hit the ceiling and your mouth.
I'm just holding. Yeah, this storm's coming right now.
Ready? This is the corner.
Oh, not this corner. Hold on. To what? Something. That'll rip off. Oh shit! The rock!
Ready? This gets really bumpy. Ready? Took my fucking the other day.
Oh shit!
Holy shit. Dude, it's so slippery I can't turn my wheel.
Are you just staying in first?
Yeah, it's only me, baby.
If it don't smell like booty, the pussy like a white guy.
Yo, let me get out.
Car X is treating me well.
Then I told her, bitch, please. I want you to leave me, baby. This dick make you crazy. And don't you tempt me, baby. Cause this Glock ain't got safety. I want you to leave me, baby. This dick make you crazy. And don't you tempt me, baby. Cause this Glock ain't got safety.
Alright, boys. Setting up. We're gonna do some golfing.
Hit ball.
Focus on Brad. There he is. Oh no. Is we're gonna be doing some golfing. We gotta hit him into this field.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully we can find him after. There's Bean. You already know Max. This is Bean. What up? This is Brad, in case you didn't know.
Golf club.
Golf club. And this is me. Monkeys.
Let's start.
Ready?
I walked into the party alone. My ex calling me on the phone. A broken bottle. a shot with me, we'll go on and on and on and on. Take shots with me,